So this is a compound interest problem, and the book has the formula and discusses compound interest starting on page 460. The formula would be this: the amount in the bank is going to be the principal times 1 plus the rate over the number of times a year that it's compounded, and then the exponent is the number of times per year it's compounded times the total number of years. So if we plug in all this information, note that compounded monthly would be 12 times a year, so n is going to be 12. We get, and it's important also to make sure you convert the percentage, 5.5% interest, to a decimal. So that means slide the decimal point over 2 times to convert between a percent and a decimal. So if you slide that over twice, it's 0.55, which is the decimal equivalent to 5.5%. So let's reduce this and reduce that. We'll get the 48 up here for 12 times 4, and then this part reduced to 0.004583333. The 3's go on forever. And so I went ahead and added that to 1. You just get 1 point and then the decimal that came out to. To solve this, the first thing you have to do is, after we've reduced the parentheses to a single number, now take it to the exponent. So use your calculator, type in that, and then raise it to the 48th power, and you get this after doing the exponent. And notice I'm trying to carry out a lot of decimals. If you round after just 1 or 2 decimals, it can throw your answer off a little bit, and when the computer is grading your answer, if it's off just a little bit, it can't see your work and figure out that you were close and you just rounded wrong. So really try to give a lot of decimals. I have at least 6 digits, so after the zeros I wrote at least 6 digits, and up here I wrote at least 6 digits as well. Alright, and then the final step would just to be multiplied by the 2,000 to get the amount in the bank. So the amount in the bank would be $2,490.90. So write that in here. That's the correct answer, and then it wants to know the amount of interest earned. So if you started off with $2,000 and you ended up with that much, it means the extra $490.90 was interest the bank paid you. And that completes the problem.